Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday! Thank you so much for joining me. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Today I am doing this fresh face dewy look. I was inspired by watching one of Madi Bernard's recent videos. She did a brown eyeliner using eyeshadow. I thought that was super cool and different, so I wanted to give it a try out. So this is inspiration from Madi. Thanks, Madi, you're awesome. And yeah, so please keep watching and enjoy what I've got in store for you. I love you. So today I'm going to go in with this NYX HYDRATOUCH serum. You don't need a whole lot. You really want to massage it in. Now we're going to go in with our primer. I'm going to use the SMASHBOX Radiance Photo Finish Primer today. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it that's just going to help us with our glowy, dewy finish that we want. Before I go ahead and get into the foundation, I want to try to correct my under eye area just a little bit. I'm going to go in with this SMASHBOX Photo Op Under Eye Brightener. I'm just going to put a little bit with my finger. I'm going to dab it in. I'm just using patting motions. You don't want to move it around too much. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. I have M54 Neutral. So I'm just putting a little bit on my face. Nice light layer. We don't want to do anything too heavy with our foundation because we're going to keep adding. I am a firm believer in making sure you drag your makeup down your neck. Even if it is a more natural look, you still want your neck and your face to match. I definitely recommend you guys trying samples, trying out new things. I mean, that's how I learn about new products and like what I like and what mixes well with my makeup and my skin. Just trying samples of stuff all the time. I love trying new makeup. Now I'm going to go in with the concealer. Today I'm using Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer. I have a little, just placing a little bit of this underneath my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. Now that I've done my foundation and my highlighting with my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of illuminating with a liquid illuminator. I'm going to be using liquids today. I normally like powders, but liquids definitely do seep into your skin a little bit better. They kind of melt in and really look skin-like, and since I'm trying to go for a natural glowing from within look, I'm going to use creams. So I'm going to use Glow Milk by the Beauty Crop. It looks like nail polish kind of, but I'm just going to put this in my high points where you would normally put your highlight. You do want to avoid this center area as much as you can. Putting an illuminator there kind of accentuates that area, and those areas right here on most people, your pores are your biggest, so you don't want to be drawing attention to your large pores in the center of your face. I've been really liking this stuff. I got it in my Birchbox a little while ago and I forgot about it, and I just started using it and I'm obsessed with it. I'm going to take my damp beauty blender again and just blend this in. Now that we got that on, I'm going to go ahead and do my contour. And I am going to be using cream for this as well. Now I'm going to take this Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this setting powder and place it underneath my eyes. You want to make sure that you don't have any makeup settling in your wrinkles before you do this step, or else your wrinkles will be permanently locked in place. I'm going to take a pressed powder. Right now I'm using Jane Iredale pressed powder, and I'm going to set the rest of my face with this. I'm just noticing that I want a little bit more coverage than what I've got going on. So I'm using my Shade and Light palette. I'm going to do just a little bit of contouring, nothing too crazy or too much. I just want, you know, a little bit more of a sculpted look. And I'm also going to contour my nose with powder because I don't trust myself with creams. And now I'm going to take my banana powder and just brighten up in some areas. Of course, right next to the contour on my nose, under my eyes. Any area that you feel like you want to brighten. I just wanted a little bit more definition, so you don't really have to do what I just did if you don't want to. If you feel covered and good after just the foundation and you don't feel like you need any extra powders, then you are all set. For my brows today, I'm going to use the BH Studio Pro palette and a small angled brush. I'm not doing too much filling in. I want them to look natural. I like the bushy brow look, so I'm just trying to make them look a little bit more bushy. And then you definitely want to lock your brows in place, so I'm going to use a clear brow gel. I like to push them up. Like I said, I like them to be bushy. So if that's not your style, do whatever you like. For eyes, I'm going to do a really simple eye look. We're keeping it natural. So in my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to start off with this brown color right here. I'm just going to work that into my crease and then on top to my brow bone and then up to my eyebrow. We're just gradually making it lighter as we go. So once I touch it to the color, I shake it a little bit and then start in the crease. That's where we want the most pigment, and then working my way up. And then whenever you're satisfied with the color and the intensity of the color, then you can stop. So if you're the kind of person that doesn't like to wear makeup or just really likes a natural look, I definitely recommend still doing a little bit of shadow. You can use your bronzer for your shadow if you prefer. Just putting a little bit of that depth into your crease really does make a huge difference. And I'm just going to deepen that up a little bit, and I'm going to use this brown color right here. Now this time I'm concentrating it solely in the crease. I'm not moving it up. Now to finish off this look, I want to do a brown eyeliner, winged eyeliner look, but I'm going to use powders instead. So I'm actually going to use this brown right here in the palette. I'm just going to start by drawing out the wing. Once you have your wing drawn, you want to go ahead and connect it and take that shadow across your lid as you would with an eyeliner. So I'm going to take this brown right here. I'm going to just drag a little bit of shadow on the bottom lash line. Another trick that I love is putting like a skin colored eyeliner pencil in your bottom waterline. It really helps your eyes look bright and awake. So I'm going to use this Wander Beauty eyeliner pencil. I'm just going to add a little bit of blush and highlight. So I'm using the color Moment by Tarte for my blush. I'm using the color Authentic by Tarte for my highlight. With a smaller brush, I'm going to do the inner corners with that same highlight. This really helps to make you look wide awake. Put just a little bit of that highlight on the center of my eye, just to give it a little sparkle in the sunlight. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face before I put on my mascara. I'm using Kat Von D Lock It Setting Spray. So I actually curl the base of my lashes, and I hold it there for a little bit, and then I actually curl the mid shaft too, and I tilt it up just a little bit. It makes such a big difference when you're applying only mascara and not lashes, so trust me, curl your lashes. Alright, so for my lashes today, first I'm going to use this Smashbox Photo Finish Lash Primer. Now I'm going to use my Smashbox X-Rated Mascara. This is my favorite mascara that I've found in a long time. And I just like to wiggle at the base and then push it up. Since I'm not wearing fake lashes, I'm going to go ahead and do another coat of a different mascara because I want just a little bit more oomph to them. So I'm going to use Monsieur Big by Lancome. To complete this look, I'm going to line my lips with Kylie Jenner Dulce K lip liner. And now I'm going to take my Grande Lips Lip Plumper. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something new today. I'd love for you to try this look, and if you do, please tag me in any of your posts. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment and let me know what look you guys want to see next. Thank you. Bye.